So our topic for today is to differentiate or identify or classify the given polygon if it is a convex polygon or a non-convex polygon. Ngayon, tatry muna natin ibigay yung definition nila. Okay, and then mamaya magbibigay tayo or magpapakita tayo ng mga polygon, and you need to classify them or tell them, no, there are example ba ng convex polygon or they are the example of non-convex polygon. Okay, let's start. Now, the definition of the convex polygon is it is a polygon where all interior angles are less than 180 degrees. And the second definition is, if you connect any two non-consecutive points, the line stays inside the shape. So, yung gagawin muna natin dito is to break down the definition of the convex polygon word by word para mas mabilis natin silang maintindihan. Ngayon, doon muna tayo sa unang definition niya. Sabi dyan, all interior angles are less than 180 degrees. Doon muna tayo sa idea ng angle. Okay? Kasi mas mabilis natin maintindihan ng lahat if we know how the angle form. Paano ba nagagawa nagawa ang isang angle? Okay? So, yung angle po ay napo-form using two line segments or lines. And let's say we have the first line segment, it named using the two endpoints. Let's say the first endpoint of this line segment named point A, and the another endpoint of this line segment named point B. So ang tawag na dito, line segment AB. At kailangan po natin ng dalawa. Okay? So let's have another line segment. And let's say the first endpoint of this another line segment is point B, and another endpoint of this line segment is named as point C. So ang tawag na dyan sa pangalawang line segment natin ay segment BC. At tandaan po natin, ang angle ay nabubuo kapag po yung dalawang line segment, yung endpoint po nila ay naging isa. Yung isang endpoint po nila ay naging isa. So dito, yung point B, parehas po sila kay point B, gagawin po natin silang isa. And it forms an angle. Okay? Again po, kapag po yung dalawang line segment shared a common endpoint, like in the figure or in illustration, yung point B po nila magiging isa na lang po. Okay? They connect. Shared common endpoint. Angle form. Ganun po nangyayari or nagagawa yung angle. Ilan pong line segment? Dalawa lang po. Okay? Now, ito pong straight angle na to, it forms 180 degrees. Equal. Walang sobra, walang kulang. And ang itsura niya po, kapag nilalagyan po natin sila ng label, it's like semicircle, because the semicircle is equal to 180 degrees. Ngayon, alam na natin kung kailan at paano nabubuo yung angles. Let's talk about naman yung less than 180 degrees. Paano ba malalaman na less than 180 degrees ang angle? Simple lang, kapag mas maliit sa kalahati ng circle, less than 180 degrees na po yun. Pero kapag mas malaki sa kalahati ng circle, that is greater than 180 degrees. And based sa definition, dapat less than 180 degrees lang yung angle na mo-form. Okay po? Now, in this part, let's say we have like this, and it is more than half of the circle, or greater, or more than half of the circle, or less than half of the circle. It is less than half of the circle. Very good. So meaning it is less than 180 degrees. That's correct. If it is like this, that is greater than 180 degrees, simply because it is more than half of a circle. Again, If it is like this, it is less than 180 degrees. At ayan po yung hinahanap po natin para masabi po natin siyang convex polygon. Okay po, going back. Now, alam na po natin yung angles kung kailan na po form at alam na po natin kung ano po yung itsura ng less than 180 degrees without measuring the angle. Let's talk about the interior. Yung interior dapat nasa loob, kaya nga inside. Okay, so like this one, ito po yung angle po natin. The first angle, nasa loob po siya. So meaning that is less than half of the circle, so less than 180 degrees. Another angle, let's say we have like this, less than 180 degrees. And another this, less than 180 degrees. And the last one angle, that is less than half of the circle, so meaning that is less than 180 degrees. So meaning the figure in your screen is an example of convex polygon. Okay, now let's proceed to the next. Sir, in the given two figure, which of the following is a convex polygon and which of the following is non-convex polygon in terms of the definition? Ano po ba yung definition na sinabi? If you connect any two non-consecutive points, the line stays inside the shape. Otherwise, it is non-convex polygon. Sa Tagalog po, kapag pinag-connecta po natin gamit ng linya, ang dalawang hindi magkasunod na points, dapat po ay nasa loob po yung magagawa po nating linya para masabi na convex polygon siya. Pero kapag nasa labas, siya po yung magsasabi or magpapatrigger na yung mismong binigay sa ating figure is non-convex polygon. Okay? So dito, let's say this point is point A, and this point is point B, and this point is point C, this point is point D, and this point is point E. Okay? So, dapat hindi magkasunod yung point. Ipagko-connecta natin gamit yung isang linya. Okay? Kung mag-i-start ako kay point A, bawal kong i-connect kay point B at bawal kong i-connect kay point E kasi magkadikit sila. Pwede ko lang siyang i-connect kay point C at kay point D. So, yung dalawang line na ginamit natin or yung nabuo natin stays inside of the polygon. Clear? Okay, now let's say start tayo kay point B, connect ko siya kay point E, at i-connect ko siya kay point D. Bawal siya kay A and C kasi katabi ni B si A and C. If you can see, the line formed to connect the two non-consecutive vertices lies inside of the polygon. Okay? Now let's say point C, start ako kay point C, bawal ko siyang i-connect kay point B, bawal ko rin siya i-connect kay point D, at bawal na rin siya kay point A kasi may connection na sila. Pwede na lang kay E. Okay? So, wala na ibang line na pwede nating ipag-connect, no? Kasi lahat nagamit na natin or napag-connect na natin yung two non-consecutive points. Ngayon, observe natin, lahat ba ng lines na nabuo natin ay nasa loob ng polygon or ng shape? The answer is yes. So, ang tawag natin dito sa shape na to ay convex polygon. Okay? Kasi lahat ng lines na na-form natin ay nasa loob. How about this another? Now, let's say this is point A, this one is point B, this one is point C, this one is point D, this one is point E, and another one is point F. Pagkukonikin ko ng mabilisan si A, bawal siya kay B kasi magkasunod sila, bawal din siya kay F dahil magkasunod sila. Pero pwede ko siyang i-connect kay C. So if you can see, meron line na nabuo sa labas. So ibig sabihin, pag merong line na nabuo sa labas, it is non-convex polygon. Okay po? That's a simple thing. Question po, ano po yung tawag natin sa line na nagko-connecta sa two non-consecutive vertices? Yung mga line po na yan. Ang tawag po dyan, diagonal. Again po, ang tawag po natin dyan, diagonal. Diagonal is a line that connects the two non-consecutive points or vertices. Maganda or kailangan po nating aralin kung ano po yung diagonal, like that one, to specify which of the following figure is a convex or non-convex polygon. Okay? Now, let's start. To classify this figure, it is a convex or non-convex polygon. Lahat po ba ng angle niya, interior, ay nasa loob, less than 180 degrees? The answer is yes. So that is convex polygon. Another thing, another shape, another figure. It is convex or non-convex. Lahat po ba ng interior angle niya ay less than 180 degrees or less than half a circle? The answer is yes, that is convex polygon. Another shape, another figure. Is it convex or non-convex polygon? It is non-convex polygon. Why? Because there are at least one interior angle greater than 180 degrees. Saan po yun? This part. Kasi more than half a circle na po siya. And the same time, if we connect these 2 points, nasa labas na po siya ng polygon. So, non-convex na po siya. Okay po. Another thing, another figure, another shape. Is it convex or non-convex? It is very good. It is non-convex polygon. Why? Because there is more than half a circle. Okay? So, that is greater than 180 degrees. That is non-convex. At the same time, if we connect these 2 points, nasa labas na po siya ng polygon. At bawal po kay convection. Okay po. Okay, and let's try this. Can you please classify this polygon if it is convex or non-convex polygon? Very good. This one is convex polygon. Another one. How about this one? Nice. It is a convex polygon. Next is non-convex polygon. Why? Because one of the angle interior is more than half of a circle or greater than 180 degrees. How about this one? It is convex polygon.